Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5121767 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, and then make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. And now you can try to update your Windows. Still not working, you can go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. You can click on pick a date, you can select any date and then you can pause the update. Once the update is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then let the update install and then check. Still not working, the next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows. Still not working, the next step is to, now if the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5121767 over here, and then click on search. And then type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option, check your system type. For me, it's a 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. Once the download is complete, you can click on this KB5121767, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and then you can install this update manually. Once done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, the next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this file. Once the download is complete, run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on set of file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked, hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.